Saltwater bass. Today we're doing a little bit of trailer rehab. This is part of my playlist called Mini Skiffs and Boats. As you can see right here, got the 14-foot John. This is one of the projects. Started painting it battleship gray. This is one of the spots that didn't get painted yet, so you can see what it looked like before. That's the gray color is kind of coming off. It rained a couple times since I painted it. So back to the trailer. We're gonna be replacing the leaf springs. Some of the equipment we got. It's gonna be going right here to replace that old rusted out junk. Once we replace these springs, this bad boy is gonna be looking nice. People are gonna be jumping looking for that thing. Stay tuned. I'm gonna clean that up too. Put some new chains on her. Got the double wheel jack. You know, that's a good thing to have. Gonna show this thing some love. Might even put some heavier duty poles on it. Stay tuned. We're gonna be rehabbing this thing today. Saltwater Bass TV.